Here we have a 2013 Chevy Equinox. It is a front wheel drive car. It's a 2.4 4-cylinder. This one, it does come with a salvage title due to light front damage that occurred. We had replaced here the front bumper cover. The lower bumper cover, the black there running along the bottom, is original to the vehicle. So we didn't need to replace this lower piece, but the red bumper cover we did replace. Both grills we replaced. And then if you look here at the headlights, those are LTZ headlights. This is only an LT model, but we did put LTZs just because we think the LTZ headlights do look a little bit better. So we replaced the front bumper cover. Both front fenders were not replaced. The hood here was replaced, so the hood's new. You can see the paint there, it all looks really good and shiny. You can't tell any difference. You can't tell at all that this has been repainted. There's absolutely no orange peel whatsoever anywhere. It's painted by my local Chevy dealership. All the cooling was replaced. We got a new cooling fan shroud down in here. Wasn't a hard hit whatsoever. There's the frame rail. You can see this here is the frame rail right at the end of my finger there. And you can see there's absolutely no damage there whatsoever. In fact, this here is your radiator core support. That wasn't replaced. That's original to the vehicle as well. Hood shuts nice. Now this Equinox only has 1,000 miles on it. So you can see the tires are like brand spanking new. The brakes are still shiny on the calipers. Everything up in the wheel wells looking all brand new. We'll even crawl here up underneath the vehicle. See, everything looks nice and shiny, nothing damaged. It's good and clean under there. Just a little curb rash right there, you know, you're going to get that on the bottom of any vehicle. Looking here on the inside, you can see this here is your AC condenser. The AC condenser and the radiator, they were replaced brand new. Of course, nice feature about the 12-13 models is they do have the power unlocks here on the door itself, where the 10s and 11s only have the lock unlock right here. Very nice, clean interior. There's no scratches coming down the passenger side at all. No little door dings or dents. Smells all brand new in here. You can see this folds down. See right here, there is the backup camera. Back seats do fold down with the latches right here and here. Underneath, we do have a spare tire. Back shuts really nice. There's absolutely nothing touched on this vehicle from the front fenders back. One front fender was repainted just for some scratches, but it's the original fender to the vehicle. See, no damage here whatsoever. Looks brand new all the way around, top, bottom, and underneath, and all everywhere you can look. This is cloth interior, black. Does have a roof rack right up here. Sorry about that. Zoom kind of went in on me there. Go ahead and do a fresh start up here. You can see what lights come on.
Friend would get up the door.
Turn the radio down. See, everything goes out. Nothing stays on. There's no idiot lights whatsoever. Go ahead and put my seatbelt on, and you'll see the seatbelt light there went out. And this light here is just saying miles per hour. Currently, there's 1,141 miles on it. Half a tank of fuel. Do have the this is the touchscreen radio here, so you can turn it. It's got XM, whatever you'd like to do. We do have, when we put the car into reverse, you can see we do have a backup camera there on the screen that pops up. Now this car here did have airbag deployment, and I'll try to show you here on the back headliner. You can see right there, there's a little tear in the headliner. No other tears anywhere else along the top, just back there in the back where the curtain airbag deployed. Now the curtain airbags were replaced, brand new. They were reprogrammed, everything works just fine. Go for just a quick drive. This car, we do only have one key for it, and as you can see, it does have remote start, lock, unlock. No owner's manual. And looking down in here, we do have your USB drive. You can download music. We got Bluetooth here, cruise control functions here. Runs and drives great. The alignment was done on it. They actually didn't have to change anything in the alignment. There was no frame damage, so nothing needed to be an adjustment. Runs and drives great, so there's no squeaks, rattles, shimmies, or shakes. You can see here we're doing about 50 miles an hour there. Let go of the steering wheel. You can see the steering wheel, we're still going straight. Hit the brakes, still not touching the steering wheel. You can see we stop here, and we're still in the middle of the road. Does have heated mirrors. Again, no rattles, no shimmies, no shakes, no vibrations. The alignment was done, AC was recharged, everything works. We got nice cold heat, we've got nice cold, or I'm sorry, we have nice hot heat and cold AC. All the lights work on the outside. This vehicle's every bit as brand new can get. There's no scratches or dents or dings on the outside of the vehicle. It's every bit clean. You can see there's no idiot lights on there whatsoever on the dash. None have come on since we've had the vehicle. Does have a CD player down here. Again, we're doing about 44 miles an hour. We're going straight down the road, not touching the steering wheel whatsoever. You can see I'll hit the brakes. I still wasn't even touching the steering wheel. We come to a complete stop. We're still in the road. As always, if you have any further questions, feel free to email us. If this isn't quite the Equinox you're looking for, we do have a tan 2000, I believe it's a 2012 LTZ model coming up here. Leather, all-wheel drive, V6. It's kind of the opposite Equinox of this one here. This one, again, is only front-wheel drive. But it does, you know, it's a 2013 with just over 1,000 miles on the vehicle. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us.